How to unfreeze or unsuspend your Venmo account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll explain and guide you on how you can fix if your Venmo account is frozen or suspended, then how you can unsuspend it. Well, there are a few possible reasons why your account is frozen. First, what you need to understand is Venmo might have detected a potential user agreement violation. If so, they'll send you an email if this occurs, and you'll need to respond to the email or contact customer support to resolve the issue. The second thing is potential user agreement violations that include, what you'll have to know is being under 18 years of age, using a personal account for business transaction, and using Venmo for illegal activities. In that case, you'll have to contact the customer support directly. The other thing is a bank account transaction you made through Venmo failed, and you need to pay Venmo for the unpaid balance. This can happen if you don't have sufficient funds in your bank account and you have gone over your allotted amount of ACH transfers. Now, to unfreeze it, well, what you'll have to do is you'll have to unfreeze by paying a balance. You can go to the website of your Venmo, or you can open up your Venmo application, and there you can add funds from your bank account there, and then or you can select the debit or card or the bank account you want to pay with, and then from the list of payments select the add funds from your bank account, and then go ahead and add in your details, and then select the amount, and then you can go ahead and unfreeze it once you have added the amount. However, the other way is you can unfreeze by contacting the Venmo support. You can go to the official online contact form. You can go back and you can search in for Venmo support, and there go through this process and submit a request, and you'll be able to unfreeze the account once they have verified your details. So these are the ways you can unfreeze your Venmo account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.